Corn cake was one of the snacks that we enjoyed all throughout the Christmas holidays. In one of the makings, I decided to pick up my camera and record for you, my banging family. Let's clock it together. You want to start by sifting all people's flour in a bowl. Always sift your flour before making use of it. To that, I added cornmeal, salt, sugar, and baking powder. Go ahead and mix till everything is well combined. We are making honey corn cake, all right? Once that is done, let's mix the wet ingredients. In another bowl, I'm going to add 2 eggs. To that, I added vanilla, some honey, and milk. Mix to combine very well. I forgot to mention that we are making honey corn cake, all right? Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. All right, after mixing together, we are going to transfer the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. It's a very simple recipe to prepare. You can do it, all right? Okay, first, I'm going to add half of the wet ingredients, mix till everything is almost coming together. I'm doing it this way because I don't want it to form lumps, okay? So follow the simple instruction. Now I added the remaining wet ingredients. Go ahead and mix till everything is well combined. The last thing I'm going to add is melted butter. You can also use melted margarine. Don't overmix, please. All right. Now I'm moving with the melted butter. Go ahead and mix till everything is well combined. A beautiful shout out to you, Mabel, watching from Anambra State, Wata from Liberia, Chika from Sri Lanka, Maya watching from India, and Rosa all the way from Lesotho. Whoops. Aww. I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well. Okay? All right, like I mentioned earlier, please do not overmix. Now I'm going to use a spatula to do the finishing touch using the cut and fold method. If you are with me at this moment, type cut and fold at the comment section. Once I'm done cutting and folding, transfer into your well-greased baking pan. It is time to bake. I bake in a preheated oven for 40 minutes and there you have it. To know if it is ready, use a skewer and poke. Once it comes clean, it is ready. You can see that the surface looks dry, so I went ahead to brush with some honey mixed with melted butter. This part is totally optional, all right? Take it out of the baking pan, transfer in a rack and allow to cool down completely. Do you love what you are seeing? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. Now, when it comes to honey corn cake, I love it hot. I love it when it is still very hot. So that's how I love it. Like when you eat it when it is still very hot, oh my word. I open it and this is what the inside looks like. Oh my word, look at the texture. I want you to give it a try and get back to me as usual. It's worth trying. It tastes so good. So I allowed it to cool down. Then I went ahead to cut for the family. Everyone, including my visitors, we are demanding for more. I have to make more after this. Can you imagine that? This can be enjoyed alone or with any beverage of your choice. Remember, homemade is better than junk. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.